Hey there! Ever wondered how deeply machine learning technology has invaded our everyday life? Face recognition systems, human-like chatbots, AI-powered fraud detectors. Now businesses have a competitive edge in being the first to adopt these solutions. To make sure you don't miss any new tech news and innovations, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We share our own experience and tips on technology, software development, and business. Meanwhile, let's move on to our review of top machine learning as a service companies. Let's find out what machine learning as a service actually is. Mlaas is about teaching machines to identify pieces of specific information and learn independently from processing big volumes of data. Machine learning as a service is delivered mostly by cloud service providers, with Microsoft, IBM, Google, and AWS. How? Through AI tools in the cloud computing environment. They allow machine learning teams to create predictive models driven by machine learning algorithms. Who uses it? Developers and data scientists. Its major application areas are marketing, information security, fraud prevention, risk analytics, predictive maintenance, network analytics, and others. Let's now look at Mlaas at a closer distance. What specific tasks Mlaas is used for? Nowadays, we see our customers opening up new perspectives in a variety of industries, like R&D, image face recognition, chatbots, fraud detection, data mining, and others. By the way, do you want to know the difference between artificial intelligence versus machine learning versus deep learning? Hit the link in the description box to read the article. What organizations may benefit from Mlaas? In fact, according to our experience, almost all organizations, regardless of type and size, could benefit from using machine learning technology. Currently, Mlaas can be integrated without significant investment. We see that the telecom industry is an absolute leader in its interest in machine learning solutions. Telecom, retail and wholesale, financial, public, and healthcare service companies are among the early adopters. Here's a formula. Mlaas plus cloud storage plus cloud computing capacity plus cloud services management equals competitive edge. Today, key players in the Mlaas market are Microsoft Corporation, IBM, Google, Amazon. All four service providers ensure high-end environments and tools to create, train, and deploy ML models faster, easier, and at a lower cost. Let's review the four platforms. Microsoft Azure Machine Learning Studio. Machine Learning Studio supports about 100 methods applied in predictive analytics. The innovative algorithms and drag-and-drop GUI constitute its strong side. Bot Service Framework is another toolset of Azure machine learning services. The designation of this framework is bot development, allowing to deploy custom bots onto popular platforms such as Slack, Telegram, Skype, Facebook. IBM Watson Machine Learning Studio. Pre-trained models tooled for dynamic retraining are managed via the free IBM Watson OpenScale platform. Watson Machine Learning Studio offers a variety of automation tools designed for data visualization, neural networks modeling, and integration of machine learning developments into cloud apps. Auto AI provides less experienced users with an easy-to-use interface for automation of data processing and model building. Google Cloud Machine Learning Engine. It is a package of solutions and services that requires outstanding data science skills. Armed with the TensorFlow machine learning framework and support of Google Cloud infrastructure capability, developers and data scientists move their machine learning experiments to another level. For new users, Google offers the Cloud Auto ML platform with a user-friendly interface, which simplifies the process of importing datasets, model training, and their further deployment on the web. Actually, we find Google Cloud to be the best option for building complex and customized solutions. Don't you think so? Leave your comment. Let's move on to Amazon SageMaker Studio. It is an integrated development environment empowered for machine learning purposes. SageMaker allows developers and data scientists to create, train, and deploy high-quality machine learning models faster, easier, and at a lower cost. Amazon SageMaker provides an isolated hands-on environment for faster model building and deployment without the trouble of server handling. Amazon SageMaker smoothly integrates with popular ML frameworks and libraries. Let's summarize. Comparing Mlaas platforms in general, all top 4 providers deserve the highest credit for their Mlaas achievements. Microsoft Azure ML is a good option for longtime residents of Azure Cloud Services. The variety of options is impressive, but creating highly customized solutions can be difficult. With its best-in-class cloud servers, Amazon AWS would be a well-balanced decision. If there is no out-of-the-box solution in AWS, one can hook a Google's or IBM's alternative on an AWS server. IBM Watson is the best option for data science newbies, but professionals should not expect to get the world from it. Google Cloud seems to take the role of an Mlaas driver, always injecting extra effort into the ML development. They regularly publish free huge datasets of labeled images and videos for training ML models. We hope that our guide helped you learn about the top machine learning as a service companies. However, if you have more questions, contact our team. Jelvix provides software development, UI/UX design, testing, and consulting services. Find our contact details in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button.